What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. But as you guys can tell in today's title and thumbnail, we're going to be installing the full exhaust system for the ISR. Let me show you guys. And here we have here's the exhaust. And then, what is that? It looks like the resonator right here, right? And then you got the gasket, bolts, nuts, and right here will be the extension. I got the 12-inch extension. The extension is from Top Speed, but I got this from Concept Z. I think Performance, and yeah, I ordered the whole setup, and it came all together. So you could get it from Concept Z, and they have the extension as well. And this also has the gasket and the nuts and bolts that we need for to install. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna be putting this in my car right now. The funny thing is too, right when I got it, I was on Instagram and I fucking I follow ISR Performance, and they had just came out with the full exhaust system for the G37, like without the extension. So for you guys, if you guys want to get it, you guys can get the exhaust without the extension. It's where you're gonna have it, like specifically for the G. But yeah, I mean, there you have it right there. I'm gonna be putting that in my car right now. I don't even know why I put it back in there, but but yeah, I'm gonna be heading to my buddy's shop right now. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we're over there. One thing I want to tell you guys too is that I no longer have a check engine light. I cleared the code like over a month ago, and it hasn't came back since. But yeah, I mean, it's been good. Nothing's came on. You got my baby girl right there. But yeah, I mean, I'm almost there right now. I could roll down the windows and show you guys how it sounds right now before I put on the exhaust. Watch. Not too bad. But yeah, I'm almost there. I'll pick up the camera once I'm there. With the old and with the new. So we had to remove that brace that went across right here, and then that little shield that covered the drive shaft, like right there. But other than that, everything else worked out perfectly. We got this one to go on, and then that one, you just have to tighten that one, and that one's good already too. But yeah, looking good. Killing it, my man.
Something light.
Some slight, huh?
It sounds like a Tommy. Does it really? A little bit. I mean, it's not that loud as a Tommy, but it has that sound.
Alright guys, so I now have it on, and it's not as loud as I thought it was gonna be. I was expecting it to be louder, but it's not. But I mean, I do feel a power difference. Like, it has more power for sure, but I think it's gonna get louder once it's like fully broken in, because right now it's freshly put on. So I think I just gotta give it some time to break in, and it will sound good. But other than that, I mean, I'm happy with it. I'll do a little fucking pull right here, watch. Not too bad. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. I have another video planned out. I mean, it's not too much, but just little things here and there. But there are a few mods I'm gonna be putting on my car, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.